Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to restore your Snapchat streaks. So guys, let's go to your Snapchat. Now go to your profile and then tap on the settings icon in the right side of corner. Swipe down and tap on I need help. Now tap on I lost my snap streak. And then tap on I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? So guys, these rules are very important to restore your streaks. So you should read these text very carefully, and if you follow these rules completely, then your Snapchat streaks will be restored. So guys, that's it. That's how you can restore your Snapchat streaks very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.